One of the great features about the Starlink Mini is that you can use it in motion in your vehicle. Right now I'm driving along Angeles Crest Highway. It's about a 50-mile stretch of road, goes right through the heart of the San Gabriel Mountains. And for most of that route, there's no cell phone service. But thanks to the Starlink Mini and putting my phone on Wi-Fi calling, I'm never out of touch. Now, there's many ways that you can mount the Starlink in your vehicle. There are third-party mounts, or I think even Starlink actually has a mount that you can put it on your roof racks, clamp it on there on the outside. There's a number of mounts that use either suction cups or magnets, and you can stick it on the roof of your car. What I found the easiest way to do it is, my car has a sunroof. I can take the Starlink Mini, put it up against the sunroof, and close the shade a little bit, and it holds it in place. I put a little foam in there so it doesn't rattle. They also make suction cup mounts that do the same thing if you want to leave it open. To power it, you can use a battery pack if you want. There's a cigarette lighter adapter. I don't use that because my car, when you turn the engine off, you lose power to that. So what I end up doing is that I took an adapter, a little power supply. It's a company called Cool Gear, and it takes the 12 volts, or it'll go from 9 to 24 volts if you have some kind of a weird vehicle that uses other voltages. You can put it in there, and it puts out the USB-C 100 watts, which is what is needed to power the Starlink. So I installed one of those in my car. I'd already put in a separate fuse block in my central console because I also run my ham radio, and I installed a USB jack for charging my phone that's always on, because the same thing, I couldn't charge it when the engine was off. That's the quick and simple install in my car. I hope you've enjoyed this and got something out of it. Go out and go explore.